go get them again.
Welcome back to the Robzoid channel. I'm your host, Mark, and on the docket today we have an unboxing first impression video on the brand of Profvmvm Roma. It is Profvmvm Roma week. And what do I mean by that is I have several of them to unbox their testers. I've already set up the bottles for video, so it's easy peasy. This one, Dvlcis in Fvndo, it is one of the hyped fragrances. It's an older fragrance, 2001. So I can't wait to delve into this one. I want to hear, I hear this is another vanilla-based fragrance from them. I just smelt, what was it, Vanitas, I believe, which was vanillic, but it was almost like a cotton candy sugary, like I think fans of Baccarat Rouge, like all the women out there that love their pixie sticks, kind of sugary kind of scents, would like that one. I was lukewarm on that one, but this one, I hear more cakey vanillic, so I can't wait. Notes-wise, there's only fruits and vanilla, okay? Fruits is going to be interesting to see where that stands into this whole creation. Now, before I get into anything, have you subscribed yet? Have you? Right? There's more Roma coming. If you're interested in Profvmvm Roma, I got a couple more to delve into, 3 more to be exact. And hit that subscribe button, smash the like button. Much appreciated on my end. Let's delve into this one. Let's see what kind of vanillic fragrance we get. I'll put it on strip, then I'll put it on skin as my scent of the day. Atomizer is not the best in Profvmvm Roma. Definitely, the price you're paying, I would like to see an improvement on the atomizers. They might have to change their whole packaging, but that is one thing. Oh, I smell something. I smell citruses, which is not fruits. Well, technically, depending on who you talk to. Oh. Creamy vanillic with citruses. Yeah, it has a powdery vanillic. Creamy, powdery vanillic with orange. Orange is the main factor right now. It's, there's not much going on as per the note breakdown. When it says fruits and vanilla, it's a orange and vanilla right now. It almost feels like there's neroli in here, or orange blossom or something, just because of the amount of orange I'm getting. Oh, lemon and orange. Wow. Very bright. Wow. Where was... Yeah, no lemon on here. Lemon and orange, bright, uplifting, cooling. Vanilla, still creamy on my skin. Powdery a little bit. It does have a little bit of a, I don't want to say crystallized, but kind of like a, the vanilla has like that kind of ambery glow to it a little bit. Vanilla cake-ish, kinda. The blending and the vividness of the notes in these Profvmvm Romas are excellent. I have to say that. It is a vanilla-based fragrance. Like these citruses are going to die down, and they're starting to already. That orange went away on my skin, and now it's more of a lemon drop with vanillic backbone. It smells, you know what it smells like? Like a lemon cream pie. It's going gourmand on my skin. It didn't initially. It was kind of like just, a good fragrance, bright citruses with vanilla back in it, but now it's starting to be like a cooling, bright dessert, a light dessert. But it has some depth to it. The vanillic quality, like I said, and I think the crystallized, like an ambery glow is kind of maybe stating it too dense. But there's some density there. But there's very much like a lemon cream pie sounds pretty good to me. The vanillic tendency is very much there. It's creamy vanilla, a little bit of powderiness, almost like a powdered sugar sweetness, almost like that kind of texture on it. You know, that might go with the lemon cream pie, kind of, not really. But this vanilla and these citruses work very well together. But it is definitely a vanilla-based fragrance from Profvmvm Roma, which they have several of these. And, you know, my early thoughts of Profvmvm Roma was always about they really are like highly sweet fragrances. So to me, it has that balance of a beautiful citrus opening that is bright, uplifting, but at the same time has a gourmand aspect that the citruses almost feel like, I feel like a lemon tart or an orange tart or something like that. Beautifully gourmand, but at the same time, the blending's outstanding and it's not too sugary sweet and highly unisex in my opinion. Dvlcis and Fvndo, an excellent release from Profvmvm Roma. So I got this one at fragflex.com. There is going to be 10 ml decants coming next week. Since I'm decanting these, they will be available to all of you. And of course, my code TFG10 gets 10% off all throughout the website, not just the decants. Now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below, good, bad, and the ugly. I would love to see different comments in regards to this one. It is one of the more popular ones from the brand from what I see, so it'd be nice to see some different takes on it. It doesn't highly remind me of anything else in the fragrance game, but yeah, well executed from the brand of Profvmvm Roma. And as always, a great pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.